Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking.
What is cooking good looking?
Well, first of all, we are at our new outdoor cooking area we've never used other
Sure.
than the Traeger.
The Traeger
So
we did once.
we're going to try this. But what is cooking? Philip Fredricksen, what day is today?
Well, today is National Hot Dog Day. So we could make hot dogs all kinds of different ways, but we're actually going to do it one way, the correct way,
Yuck,
which is chili cheese dogs.
yuck.
And you can make them gourmet, which I do not do.
Oh, I thought these
Or
were
you can
gourmet.
no, these are
Look at the little
pretty
hummingbird.
straightforward. You know, we can give you a few ideas on what you can do to make them gourmet, but
Okay.
that's not my style. At least not when it comes to hot dogs.
All right.
So, all right, well, we're going to get started on this, and we've got all the necessary ingredients here.
Because
The
today
number one,
is National Hot Dog Day.
number one most important ingredient, of course, is the hot dogs. But the number two most important ingredient is the Denison's chili.
He's killing me.
Not homemade chili.
Killing me.
Can, right out of the can.
Oh.
Not very much. Oh, we forgot Tabasco. Gotta
We'll
have
get it.
Tabasco.
We'll get it. Okay.
There's gonna be Tabasco involved. I just didn't bring it out. Okay, so
I'm just gonna picture
first
it.
off, we are going to put a hot dog. We've got many, but we're gonna start out with just one. Hebrew National are my favorites. So we're gonna put a big hot dog, quarter pounder, not any of the little weenies. And we're gonna put that right on this brand new grill and get it all messed up.
I have to say, the first time anything is ever on this beautiful brand new grill is a hot dog. I don't know, Philip Fredricksen.
Perfect.
Okay, did you put the other can of?
Nope, have
chicken
not
in
done
there?
that yet. So
No.
we're gonna put. I have one can in there
I
because
will
of course,
assist you.
the a second can
I'll
is
be your
really
assistant.
important. Okay, you dump that one in. See, one's already in there. Very good.
You have to have two.
So the key ingredients of these hot dogs are, of course, the wiener itself.
I hope Jaden's watching in Buffalo. She's always
Sometimes,
wanted.
sometimes you use a little fancier bread, but I went for the Wonder bread.
Oh yeah.
I wonder why. But anyway, so we've got the Wonder bread for the bun. And of course, you can grill those or you can keep them soft. Either way, I'll probably do one of each because I'm going to do two. And then we can do fancy mustard like Grey Poupon and all that kind of stuff. Or you could do like this Trader Joe's dill pickle mustard, which actually is really good.
Ooh,
But
our new burner's working.
when it comes for the for the chili cheese dog with the key ingredients, it's just Heinz mustard and not really ketchup, but this is just in case our neighbor Jan would like that ketchup on a regular dog instead of a chili cheese dog.
She just got
Can't
home from being
imagine
gone
why.
2 weeks. She was away 2 weeks, so she's home. Her big celebratory dinner is hot dogs at our house. Actually,
Which she loves it,
over on the Traeger, I have chicken wings.
which is good too.
And I have peaches being baked, arugula, burrata, fig balsamic,
Okay,
and
this is now getting fancy.
pomegranate glaze for our salads.
There's no room for that fancy stuff here.
Honey, this
So
is super
there's
cool.
not even room for salad when you're eating chili cheese dogs. That's too healthy. Anyway,
Do you
so
put, oh, what about this yummy
Oh, yeah.
orange?
Oh, they-
orange.
yeah.
It's orange cheese.
yeah, I
How do you get
prefer
orange cheese?
getting like Longhorn, like just cheddar, grated. Like not this already pre-done, but I did not do that because we already had this and we need to use it up. So you can also add some peppers. I may do some jalapenos on one of them, although that's not traditional for me. And you can also do, some pickle relish. That's also not going to happen for me. But that's kind of and Tabasco. That's the key. So the order in which it goes, it's the bun, the dog, the mustard, the chili, then the cheese, then the Tabasco. A
Okay.
generous helping of Tabasco.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Let's
we're
see
just
how
going
that
to wait
hot dog
and
is.
see how it goes. But we should have started this ahead of time, I guess, huh? The Galloping Gourmet
Ooh.
would have already done that.
It is getting toasty on one side.
So I did have to remove some stuff out of this to make this work.
So everybody always asks if this is a housing bubble. Are we in a housing crisis?
We are not in a housing it's not a seller's market even. Everybody thinks it's a seller's market. It's a scarcity market, which is way further out there than a seller's market. That being said, inventory is creeping up, And the buyers aren't going away.
Guess how many properties are for sale in the whole entire county?
I think it was just over 3,000.
3,024.
Yeah.
And that gives us 39 whole days worth of inventory. 39
If
days!
we got no new inventory, it'd take 39 days to sell it all.
Yep.
That's not very much.
So-
a good, normal, healthy market is 4 to 6 months.
So I know another fun stat.
What's up?
And one of the reasons why we're not in a housing crisis. In 2006, over 84% of homeowners took out cash equity in their homes. In 2020, it's less than 30%. So this is not one of those crazy bubbles where everybody's taking cash out, they're putting very little down. Heck, most of our clients are putting like 150,000, 200,000, or all cash down. So there's a lot of equity in new home purchases, unlike 2006.
Well, and year over year, what was the appreciation in San Diego County as a whole? It was just over 20%. I think it was 20.2 or 20.4.
Weren't we number 2 in the country?
Behind Arizona, yeah.
Okay, so this little pan is on our cute little burner.
It's going.
You
It's
can't
going.
see it, but I can. I'm super stoked. Are you gonna toast your buns? Hot buns?
Yeah, hot buns are good.
I think you should have hot buns.
I'm gonna have one that
I
way
see
and
Bubba.
one normal.
Hi, Bubba.
Hi, Bubba.
Bubba owns Chabal Winery. It is a female-owned local business with phenomenal sparkling. In fact, all of her wines are either named after her family members or her horses. And in this case, her sparkling is called Cash.
Including our favorite sparkling.
Yes, and we love it. And all of our snobby champagne drinkers love it as well. So I see Dean checking in. Hi, Dean. I can't really read what you're saying, but I see you, and I hope your headache is better. I hope you're feeling
Look, it's
better.
getting better.
Honey, this
it's
is like
getting
the first
there.
thing on our grill.
I know. It's a worthy.
Now, how come you don't
Meal.
split them and cook them that way?
They split on their own.
Oh, see, my dad always used to cut them, and
That's all the juices out, just like a steak.
oh, because the hot dogs are juicy.
They are juicy.
Yeah.
They're plump and they like
Oh,
plump and
dude,
burst.
I'm telling you.
How's that coming? Is it warm yet?
Yeah,
It's
no,
getting there.
not yet. But I'm digging this
Yeah.
burner.
The only bad part about it is it blocks the view of
That's
what's
okay.
on there.
That's okay. You can actually see that you're wearing those crappy shorts.
It's my hiking shorts. They're gym shorts.
I
What
just
more do
got
you
done having acupuncture, so I'm a little bit oozy, dizzy.
want? And the wine will help.
Okay.
So
what else?
well, there's really nothing else there until
So it's National Hot
until
Dog
the hot
Day,
dog's done.
and we hope everybody goes out and has a great hot dog. Ooh, honey, that
And
is cooking up
and
nicely.
Sunday, what was
Was.
Sunday?
National Ice Cream Day.
That's right. We never eat ice cream, but we did Sunday.
Are you gonna assemble this little doodad? Now, why wouldn't you put the cheese first so that? Oh, he's gonna
Those are
toast
the
the bun. Okay. Just so you know, Philip Fredricksen does not cook in the kitchen. The one thing he does make is this, and typically it's when I'm not home.
Actually, I make quesadillas,
Ooh,
eggs.
It's when I'm not home.
Yes,
Makes me freak out.
which is why I do it when
I'm
you're
extremely
not there.
neurotic about cleanliness
All
and
right, here we go.
organization and
Look at
all of that
this.
stuff.
Look at
Ooh.
that. It fills the whole bun.
Let's shut those up for now.
Turn these up.
Sweet.
That.
Probably move the plastic. Right, huh?
Yeah, that's not really heating up though, so that's good. Okay, so what do we do now? Shake up the mustard.
Okay.
Put
I'm
some
going to
mustard on
Prosperity
here.
Camp on Thursday
Oh, that'll be fun.
with Greg Reed.
The mustard's
should be
really
cool.
important. It doesn't seem like it would be, but it really is to add the overall flavor. So we use the big spoon to
Hang
put
on.
on.
I'll get it for you.
I'd
Do you
like
want to go
do
get the
it.
Tabasco?
It needs Tabasco.
I know you said it did.
She really wants to do it only because she thinks I'm gonna
Because
spill.
I'm a control freak.
That's
I'm
it.
an admitted control freak. I have no problem with that. Hey, Megan, we're making your mom a welcome home dinner.
Gourmet all the way.
Because today is National Hot Dog Day.
See,
So-
this is a chili dog about to become a chili cheese dog. All right. I usually don't use pre-grated cheese. It's not my thing, but I did this time because we had the cheese for something. I don't even know why. Generous helping of cheese
doesn't
on
melt,
there.
though.
It will.
How?
from the heated chili.
I highly doubt it.
It does, well, it usually does. If you cook the chili enough, it will.
It's like plastic cheese, though.
No, it'll melt. So now it just needs quite a bit of dashes of the Tabasco, and
Do you
it's
know where it
ready
is?
to eat. I do.
I'll go do it because my shoes come off fast.
Cool.
You have to keep talking, though.
I'm not sure what else to talk about. Anybody? What's everybody else talking about? I can't read it with my sunglasses on, but anyway. So Jan's going to be coming over shortly. She's going to have a choice of regular hot dogs with like mustard, relish, ketchup, or the famous chili cheese dog that we have right here. Man, that is going to be good. I can smell it. I can almost taste it. So, what's your favorite chili cheese dog recipe? Tell us.
Do people use chopped onions?
Oh, some people use onions. I like chopped white onions on a regular hot dog with mustard and relish, but not so much. See, the genuine Tabasco,
Man, that just looks so.
yummy, doesn't it?
No, not even close for me.
All right. Well, you can close this out while I
Enjoy your
go
food.
eat my chili cheese.
Why don't you text Jan? Text Jan next door and tell her to come on
To
over.
hurry on over. Okay.
Yes.
Before I eat them all.
Well,
What are you
I
doing
have-
with the chicken?
Pardon me?
What are you doing with the chicken?
I have it under here in the Traeger, which is over yonder. It's not done yet.
Which is one of the best things ever in a Traeger, right?
Chicken comes out really good. Okay, everybody, Philip Fredricksen, I swear to God, is sitting over there. Are you not waiting for Jan to come?
I gotta eat this while it's hotter. It's no good.
He's literally like sitting there. Hey, Cindy, we were supposed to do this with Jaden at one time, you know? And Megan, I think, is fasting because she ate during her vacation. So, Philip is just sitting over there eating a big, giant, messy chili cheese dog. How is it, Philip Fredricksen?
Very yummy.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
You happy, camper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Did you shut this off? Yep. All right. Okay, everybody, have a great night. Stay safe, stay healthy, and coming live from our backyard. I'm super stoked. How cool is this? Cooking in our backyard. I'm so thrilled. These guys, by the way, Premier Construction, Danny, they're phenomenal. They did a great job. They're going to come back in about 2 weeks after this cures and acid wash it, and then they're going to put like a glossy sealant over it. So I think it looks really neat. It's got a lot of curves, right? Every single edge is curved.
Yep.
And it's the first one they've ever done with curved edges. They did very, very well. Okay, see ya. Do you want to text Jan, babe?
On my phone.